Assalamu alaikum, friends. I hope you are all doing well. Today's video is going to be incredibly thrilling and shocking because we are talking about a horrific accident where a speeding LC300 GR went completely out of the driver's control. And then what happened next? We'll give you goosebumps. How did the driver manage to survive? Let's find out. Friends, if you are enjoying this video and want to see more thrilling videos like this, then like this video right now and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If the driver's miraculous survival amazed you, then be sure to leave a comment on the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel, hitting the bell icon for more videos like this. Until the next video, Allah Hafiz.